Now this. Builder confidence in the market for newly built single-family homes fell 1 point to 36 in February. As you can see, the home builders are down more than 1% across the board. Noble Black joins me now. So confidence, Noble, among the home builders, not that great. They say that the cost of materials are higher. They're having to drop prices to entice more potential buyers. So their margins are getting thinner and thinner.
Right.
Doesn't sound like the recipe for a healthy housing market.
It's not, and it's been that same recipe, unfortunately, for years, right? I think the positive news is you now have more focus on doing something that's actually going to be meaningful than we've had in a very long time. So you see what's going on in the Senate and the House. I think there's real efforts at addressing the problem. Some of the ideas, I think, are just kind of a Band-Aid fix, but some of them, if they go through, have real potential.
Mortgage rates?
Mortgage rates are better than they were.
Yeah.
I don't think anybody sees them going down dramatically in the next year, but I think they'll still trend in the right direction. I think we have to watch what's going on with tariffs. That could actually, obviously they would come down more, I think, if some things happen. But, we're all looking at, I think, this being a somewhat better version of last year, but not dramatically different. We'll take it.
Next one for you. Take a look at this headline. It says, want a mortgage for under 3% in 2026? Meet the assumable mortgage. This is basically taking over a mortgage.
Right.
Assumables used to be popular back in the day. Are they making a comeback or not?
I don't think so. I mean,
because many loans are not assumable.
Most loans are not. So I think I think that article said there were 6 million that had a mortgage rate that was below 5% and that were assumable. So if you can get it, by all means, get it,
Take
right?
It. Yeah.
I think you have to look at the reality of there's fees that are associated with that. And then also the mortgage rate, it may be lower, but the price that that home was originally purchased at with that mortgage was also probably dramatically lower. So a lot of people, have a lot more equity in the home now. It's reselling for a higher price than it was several years ago. So if you can assume that mortgage, that's great, but you're going to be out of pocket a lot more money as well. So it's great if you can do it, if you have the money to put down. Those are great things, but it's not a fix for everyone.
It's not a win-win for sure. All right, one more for you. The House and Senate have passed their first bills, you were saying this, aimed at solving the housing crisis. Are federal incentives and reforms the answer here? There's very kind of mishmash right now.
Yeah.
Is there somewhere out there something that could really help?
I do not think that there's a magic bullet. So I don't think there's one thing that we can do that's going to solve everything. I think what they're doing, which I think is positive, is, hey, let's come up with a set of proposals and guidelines. I saw somebody said it was a blueprint for cutting red tape. I think that's what we need, right? Like, this is the way to really reassess zoning laws, to reassess environmental protection laws, like what's actually meaningful and that we have to have, recognizing that what we really need is more housing. So let's do that and then provide incentives to state and local governments to enact those changes. There's other things that we can do, in terms of like assistance for lower price housing or for lower price buyers. It all helps, right? Incentives for first time buyers and smaller mortgages, things like that. But I think if we can really come up with a set of guidelines and incentives, that's going to be what really moves the needle meaningfully.
Before I let you go, real estate in New York, we've talked so much about people leaving, forget it, billionaires, tax, whatever. Business is good, you say?
Business is great. So last week in the city, there were 10 deals that signed above $10 million, 5 that signed above 20. So for all the talk of, everyone's fleeing New York, everyone's leaving, people are still buying. Every week with maybe, let's say 4 or 5 weeks for the last 18 months, the city numbers have been incredibly strong. There's still people that want to be here. As I've always said, there's a separate issue in terms of taxation, right?
Sure.
The people that are especially sensitive to that, most of those have left. There's still a lot of people that would leave if that changes dramatically. But people still want to have a place in New York, especially if they have money.
It's the center of the universe.
There's no place like it.
They want to be on the doorstep.
Right.
Very, very good. Noble, thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Appreciate it. Lots of great information.